On the Nextbuy platform, you can create multi-round RFX. It is possible in three ways. On the main page, using widget Create, click on the new multi-round RFX icon. Or in the sourcing module, go to the list of RFX tab and then click on the new multi-round RFX. You can also go to the procurement module, to the purchase request list. If the request has the status accepted, order or sourcing, you can select it and then click on the new multi-round RFX button. Creation of a new procedure from this level will result in the automatic creation of a new round, as well as the transfer of data from purchase request. After selecting one of the previously mentioned options, enter a name and click Save. In the next step, Settings window will appear. In the General section, complete such fields as name, RFX type, short description, as well as assign commodities and organizational units. In the Currency section, select the type of value in which you want to place bids and optionally define a list of currencies in which you will allow to bid. When selecting more than one currency, you will need to specify the rate at which the bids will be converted to a common denominator to compare them. If you fill in the field Define Unit, it will be used instead of the currency. In the RFX Commission section, you can add team members to the RFX and empower them to edit the query, price view, and set up a person responsible for the RFX. Once the configuration is complete, you can create a new round, which can be either a RFX or auction. Remember that all settings are common to all rounds. It is possible to change parameters at any stage. However, the only parameter which cannot be changed at a later stage is the currency. Thank you for your attention and wish you success in your Nextbuy transactions.